Ladies and gentlemen, the euro-dollar exchange rate has risen to a 2-year high. I see further upward potential. Because the dollar is overvalued, it is vulnerable. To understand this, you have to go back to 2014. At that time, the financial crisis was 5 years ago. The US Federal Reserve was the first major central bank to dare to raise its key interest rates. The markets welcomed this, the dollar appreciated massively. Accordingly, euro-dollar fell from 140 to 105. Since then, the dollar has been clearly overvalued in terms of purchasing power parity, now almost 20%. But this overvaluation is based on the wrong idea that the Fed will boldly raise its policy rates again in the future, as it did in 2014. But this picture is becoming increasingly questionable. In fact, the Fed is transforming itself into an ECB that, dominated by the wishes of the EU finance ministers, is no longer able to raise rates at all. There are two observations that speak for this. First, the Fed's independence is declining. This is not only due to the verbal attacks of President Trump, it is also because he is sending compliance staff to the Fed. This is especially true of Judy Shelton, who could very well be nominated by the Senate in the end. Second, the Fed is likely to move to a strategy of price-level targeting. It would not raise interest rates as soon as it reached its inflation target. Instead, it would wait until above 2% inflation has completely offset the previous undershooting of the inflation target. This dovish transformation of the Fed suggests that euro-dollar has further upside potential. Thank you very much for your attention.